If you can see the difference in these shades of blue, I'll be seriously impressed. Hope you've been eating your carrots. Well, I have been, and also my broccoli, and also my Brussels sprouts. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai. I'm kind of today back once again taking a look at this test where I should be able to pass this as an artist, you know, you'd think. Especially because I love, you know, colors, and I know how important colors are in art. So essentially what we're going to be doing is in all of these, okay, well this one's easy. In all of these there's going to be one color that is different than the rest of them, and we have to differentiate which color that is. You get the idea. So we're going to do, okay, this one, obviously that one. Okay, obviously this one, easy. Boom, that one, easy. Can you tell which color is a different color? Obviously this one, you know. All right, so I hope we're you know, following along here. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope we're all doing very well. So progress track. Have you got all those right so far? Hopefully. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this one because obviously that one, yeah, obviously. Okay. This is where we're gonna start having issues. I believe it's this one. Okay, nice, easy. I wasn't worried at all. Okay. I knew it. This one's easy. Okay, so why? Okay, is it just me or is this one harder than this one? Because I think it's the lighter the colors are, the harder they are. I'm gonna be honest. That one was pretty easy. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna get this one wrong. I think I'm gonna get. I knew it. Okay. This one looks lighter, but tell me this one looks darker. This one, okay. They're cheated. They're cheating. That one was darker as well. What? Okay. Listen, guys. Don't roast me in the comments. Okay. What? I'm blind. I'm colorblind. I'm actually colorblind. There's no other explanation for this. I'm actually colorblind. I can't. I'm actually colorblind. Why do I think it's this one every single time? What is it? We have a problem, guys. We actually have a legit problem. There's actually a legit problem. What? Get out of here, Seth Meyers. 8. Okay. So we have another one, ladies and gentlemen. We're breezing to this. 7, 6. This is 26. This is 15. This is 6. This is 73. This is 5. This is a 16. This is easy. I'm breezing. This is a 45. This is a 12. This was the clearest one. What the heck? This is the 29. This is an 8. Okay. 100%. Yeah. 8 out of 13, huh? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, nice. I feel like those two tests were slightly different, so I don't know if that exactly counts or not, but I think, yeah. Okay, so, select the lighter shade of blue. Easy. That one. Confirm. Nice. Obviously, whoa. The darkest. Okay, these two are both dark. They look the same amount of darkness to me. Okay, well, select the two identical shades of pink. It's those two. What? Okay, well, this is an issue. This is a problem. This is a huge problem. What is the next? Wait, what's the it's kind of covering it. I can't, there's a thing in the way. Okay, nice. We're just going to assume it says what's the next shade, that belongs there. It's definitely the one in the middle. It's got to be this one. Yeah, it's definitely got to be that one. Confirm. Yep, I know it. There you go. Easy. This one. Ooh. Wait. We could have an issue here, ladies and gentlemen. You could have an issue here. Nope, that one's too dark. I think it's this one. I do think it's this one. Yeah. Nice, easy. I like these. This is cool. Wait, this is sweet. Oh, whoa. Oh, we're getting a little difficult, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it definitely goes in that order up there. And then, no, that's wrong. It's this, and then the first one. I do believe. Yeah, that's it. Easy. Ladies and gentlemen, you better be playing home. Better be playing along at home, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, listen. I'm not doing this for my. You think I'm doing this for my good looks, my health? You think that's what I'm doing this for? No, I'm doing this for you. Okay. You need to be aware of your mental color taking, because that's wrong and I can't undo it. So I have to just put that in. Okay, there we go. This one first, and then this one, and then Is that right? No. This one. Then this one. These yellows are hard. And then that one. Yeah. Yeah. That's a 4. Easy. Easy. 4. Nice. That one's kind of hard to see a little bit. Whoa. Okay, wait a minute. There's a... I thought it was a 5 at first, but it's definitely a B. Okay. That one's really hard. I can barely see that. Well, what? I think it's a 5. Is it a 5? It's an S. It's got to be an S. Holy crud. That was... Okay, that last one was freaky. Okay, and listen, one more, just to ease my mind. You know, that's 2 out of 3. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end all be all, okay? Okay, so clearly 5, obviously that's the correct one. Click to reveal. 5, yeah, obviously. Choose a square. It's that's a different shade of green. Obviously, number 1, clearly, yep, okay. It looks like everyone was basically in agreement. All right, the correct answer, obviously 1. There you go. So that's a different shade of brown. I do believe that is 2. Yep, that's everyone's in agreement, and it is the correct answer is 2. Okay, nice. Different shade of blue. By the way, if you were wondering, royal blue is my least favorite color on the face of the planet. I do believe it's 8. 79% said 8. Reveal 8. There you go. Nice, easy. Oh, that's easy. 4. Different shade, obviously 4. 99%. 1% said 1 still. That's crazy. All right, nice little reveal there. 4. Easy, easy, easy. Ooh, there's a different shade of gray. I believe it's 5. Yeah. Oh, whoa! What am I looking at? Is it actually? Wait. Am I crazy? Am I wild? 3. That did not look like that before. That didn't look like that before. Yeah, it's clearly 3. What am I saying? All right, this is clearly 2. There you go. 94% said 2. It's 2. Different shade of red. It's 6. Yep. 95% said 6. It's 6. Okay, wait. We're on a roll, ladies and gentlemen. We're on a roll. We're on a monumentous roll right now. This has got to be 7. 7. 74% said 7. Nice. And proof revealed, it's 7. Yeah, there you go. Whoa. Okay, this is trippy. That's 6. 6 is like a dark gray. It's like, you know. Yeah. Oh, people were split up on this one. Whoa. This one's crazy. Oh, that one's crazy. Oh, that was the last one. That's wild. I've never seen a black color test like that. That's cool. It's so obvious when they put the white lines in between them. So hopefully what you get by the end of this video at this point is that color is very important, but it is not necessarily the easiest to pick out all of the colors. Now hopefully, I don't know, what did you get? I don't know what you did. You could have got all of them right, you could have got none of them right. Let me know. I actually really genuinely want to know how well people did with all of these. Which ones did you get wrong? Which ones did you get right? Yeah, I don't know. Just like, I don't know, timestamp it or something. Be like, I got this one wrong. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, the thing to pull out of this video is that color is very important, and it is very easy for people to see different colors and to kind of tone your eye. So I'm trying to tone your eye a little bit to pick up different colors, and hopefully you got more right than I did. I didn't get too many wrong, obviously, but hopefully you got them all right in a perfect world, obviously. But yeah, I hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed it anyway. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.